Your grandmother makes quilts for everyone in the family. A large quilt requires 8 yards of fabric, while the small quilt requires 3 yards. How many of each quilt did she make if she used a total of 90 yards of fabric to make 15 quilts? So we're going to say X is large and Y is small. Our very first equation is going to talk about the number of quilts. So we're going to say that X plus Y equals 15. Our next equation is going to talk about the amount of fabric. So 8x, or 8 yards for a large, and 3 yards for a small, equals a total of 90 yards. We're going to rewrite these equations in y equals mx plus b. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. I'm going to get y equals negative x plus 15. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. And I'm going to get 3y equals negative 8x plus 90. I'm going to divide by 3, and I'm going to get y equals negative 8/3 x plus 30. Now, both of these are equal to y, which means they're equal to each other. So, the question is, when is negative x plus 15 equal to negative 8/3 x plus 30? I'm going to add 8/3 to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides as I'm balancing my equation. So I'm going to get 5/3 x equals 15. Divide by 5/3. Divide by 5/3. 15 divided by 5/3 is 9. So x equals 9. If x equals 9, that means y equals 6. And we're going to check to make sure we're correct by plugging our information back into our equation. So, is 9 times 8 plus 3 times 6 equal to 90? Or is 72 plus 18 equal to 90? That's a yes. So that means when we write this, we have 9 large quilts and 6 small quilts.